Facebook Live 101. Facebook is the largest social media website in the world. At the time of writing, Facebook has 2.7 billion users, and every month it receives around 25 billion visitors. Most of these visitors have Facebook accounts. The reason for sharing this with you is because a proportion of those Facebook users would be ideal customers for your business. It is easier to find potential customers on Facebook than with other platforms. You can target people by their age range, their income, their location, their gender, their interests, and more. So in this training, we will show you how you can leverage the power of Facebook and, in particular, Facebook Live to promote your brand. What is Facebook Live? In April 2016, Facebook launched its streaming video service called Facebook Live. With this service, you can hold a live event with your target audience through your business page on Facebook. Although Facebook Live has been around for over 4 years, few businesses take advantage of it to boost the awareness of their brand. There could be a number of different reasons for this, but the bottom line is that they are missing out on a great opportunity. Facebook users like live events. All Facebook Live events are recorded, and after the events, these become available on your Facebook page. So if any of your followers missed the live event, they will be able to view the replay. When a Facebook Live event has started, notifications of the event can appear in the newsfeed of your followers. This can also occur once the event is finished. This is a really good feature, as some people will forget that they intended to attend the live event. It is also helpful to those followers that were unable to attend for some reason. Facebook has made a number of changes to its algorithm to give Facebook Live events a higher priority. So now there's an even greater chance of Facebook users seeing your live video streaming event. Is Facebook Live worth it? Yes, it certainly is. Video marketing is a lot more effective than text-based content. People like to watch videos online. Only YouTube has more video views than Facebook does. Video is a great way to establish and promote your brand. But it gets even better. Adweek has data to prove that a Facebook Live event receives 3 times higher engagement levels than an event video that is finished, a recording or a replay. Adweek also state that the engagement levels for Facebook Live videos are 5 times higher than they are for an image post. So if you are looking to give your brand a boost, get more leads for your business, and make more sales, then Facebook Live is a great way to do it. If you have been reluctant to make videos before and show your face on camera, then you need to get over this. With Facebook Live, you can really put your brand on the map. Facebook Live on any device. It doesn't matter if you use a desktop computer like a laptop or a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet, you can create a Facebook Live event. There's a simple process to go through depending on what device you want to use. With a laptop or desktop computer, you just need your internet browser, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, etc., and log into Facebook as you would normally. At the top of your newsfeed, you will see a box with What's on Your Mind, so click on this. Then choose the Live Video option. There are Facebook apps available for both Android and iOS-powered mobile devices. You can easily find these at the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Download the app on your device and install it. With an Android device, you will need to tap on What's on Your Mind and then tap on Go Live. With an iOS device, it is slightly different. Find What's on Your Mind at the top of your feed and then tap the icon for video recording that will also say Live Video. Whatever device you use, just follow these steps now. You will need to give your live event a name and provide a description about it. This is optional but recommended. You can also upload a video thumbnail. The next step is to choose the audience for your Facebook Live event. Click or tap on Next, and when you are ready to go, just click or tap on Go Live. You need to be aware that there is a 4-hour time limit for Facebook Live videos. This is more than enough time for your event. Nobody's going to want to sit through a 4-hour Facebook Live session no matter how good it is. We will discuss this in more detail in a later video. In the next video, we will discuss the benefits of using Facebook Live for your business.